Let's learn how we can mark a property under offer. In the properties area, when you have an offer accepted and you mark the property as under offer, you'll see this little under offer option appear here. The property is still kept as a status of listed until the actual contract's exchanged or go unconditional. If we look at the property next to this, by going into it, we'll be able to mark this one as under offer by going into the life cycle, into the listing tab, and in the pricing guides area, you'll have a button called under offer. When you have an offer accepted and it's in the cooling off period, you'll tick this, scroll to the bottom and hit update listing. By going back into the properties database, you'll now see the property has the under offer icon appearing on it. You can clear your listing filters, and if you want to have a look at all the properties you have under offer, you can use the filter funnel icon and select from the list the under offer icon. This will then tell you that I have 6 properties under offer at the moment.